Okay, so I finished my 6 spikes and I'm last thing to slip stitch and finish everything. So I finished this spike here as usual and I did my picot. Okay, so what I need to do now, as you can see, I have my 4 double crochet all together with this 3 one. So what I need to do is just go and slip stitch to the top of these 4 to make it look just like that. Okay, so I have all together and have 2 picot just like this. So to make it looks beautiful, I need to slip stitch to this stitch just right here. Okay, so I'm gonna slip stitch to this one here, and if I just pull the yarn a little bit, it looks just exactly as the rest. You will never be able to see it. Okay, so this is my thing. So now I'm gonna cut the yarn and fasten off. So as you can see, just slip stitch to the top, just to the top. Okay, that's how it looks beautiful and just like anywhere else, where else. And now I'm gonna cut my yarn and I'm gonna fasten off, take the yarn through this loop here and pull, and it's finished. And this one is, and of course, I'm gonna cut the yarn or weave the yarn inside the work. Looks so beautiful. I really hope you like it. And see, looks so beautiful. So I have multiples because I'm gonna do a scarf, a red scarf, and I'm gonna add these to the end of the scarf. Okay, and you can make a scarf if you like to make it just like this and connect the ends here. It looks so beautiful actually. Or use it as a coaster. You can use it as a coaster as well, right? So I'm gonna talk about it in the next video because this one is pretty long.